we have the Eccotemp FVI12-LP. We consider the Eccotemp FVI12-LP a top-rated tankless water heater for RV or mobile homes, considering its intense propane flame. This feature helps the water to begin heating the moment it goes through the heat exchanger. So if you're looking for a reliable source of hot water all through the year, especially for your RV or mobile home, here is an ideal water heater for you. With gas powering, you can equip any part of your home indoors to supply hot water with the Eccotemp FVI12-LP propane water heater that activates only when you're using it. The energy-saving feature ensures you save up on exorbitant bills annually, while the installation is safe and convenient for your indoor life. This propane tankless heater comes with efficient power ventilation, hence it suits almost house sizes, for small cabins to lavish home apartments. Of course, who wouldn't appreciate minimal sound as appliances run in the house? With this propane heater, you get minimal noise output and plenty of space saving due to the compact and sleek design. You also love the digital temperature display because it is so easy to read and operate. Every member of the house will be able to work this tankless heater efficiently with the convenient manual water temperature controls. It also comes with a safe electronic ignition system, so you can plug it into your standard electrical outlets of 120 volts with UL listed cords. Pros: perfect for all home sizes. Minimal noise output. Energy saver. Activates only when one is using it. Cons: may not operate well for sinks. Some do not find it high capacity. The exhaust vent is 2¼ inches, and you may need to find a suitable vent pipe.